When a research worker sets out systematically to discover whether vitamin tablets, let us say, prevent your catching a cold, it is no good giving them to a group of people throughout the winter and asking them at the end whether they've had fewer colds than during the year before. Neither is it enough to give vitamins to half the people in a larger group and compare with the other half who are given nothing. Human imagination is such that some of the people receiving the pills will be affected one way or the other, by the very fact something is being done to them. No, the competent experimenter is now trained to give vitamin tablet, or whatever it is he may be testing, to one group of people, and dummy tablets to another exactly comparable group. The dummy pills are commonly termed placebos. Until lately, little attention has been paid to the nature of the placebo itself. Provided that it was inactive, that was all that mattered. This is now changed. A writer in a recent number of a medical magazine pointed out the necessity of close scientific study being made of the placebo, now dignified with the title of a research tool. Another writer in the American Journal of Medicine goes into some detail on the matter. He considers that when humbug is required for scientific purposes, it should be efficient humbug. A placebo medicine should, it now appears, be red, yellow or brown, not blue or green, which are colors associated with poisons. The taste should be bitter but not unpleasant. Capsules or tablets should be colored and either very small, implying that they are excessively potent, or impressively large, and they shouldn't look like everyday things such as aspirins. It is now argued, a particular drug cannot in a scientific sense be said to have a particular effect on any organ of the body without taking into account the personality of the man or woman to whom the body belongs. The Journal of Pharmacology published an article not long ago pointing out that when a drug is being tested for its effect, let us say on the pain from wounds, and as is only right and proper, half of the group of patients are being injected with an inert placebo, usually salt and water. Some of these almost always find that the placebo, almost any kind of placebo, relieves their pain. A scientific study of these patients, these placebo reactors as they are called, shows that like people who are accident-prone, they possess certain characteristics. Those people who are particularly susceptible to humbug, we must assume, are more grateful to the people who are experimenting on them, more cooperative with the nurses, and more talkative than normal individuals.